All right, today we're going to be making one of the easiest side dishes that can turn into a main meal if you so choose. It's going to be on page 48 of Good and Cheap by New York Times bestseller Leanne Brown. So here we've got all of our ingredients already set out. Got our mise en place, which you can follow along in the recipe book, like I said, on page 48. We are going to start by bringing our pan onto medium heat or so, medium-high heat actually, and like I said, very straightforward. You can actually make this in the microwave. We're going to put our beans in. Make sure we get all of that out of there. Then we're gonna do our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I've opted to go that route instead of the molasses, either or. You could also reduce that if you wanted lightly less sweet. And then we've got the 2 teaspoons of chipotle and adobo with that sauce. Now you're gonna wanna be careful with those. Those can be really spicy, and you wanna make sure that you're chopping them up so that they get evenly distributed throughout the beans. Ooh. And one last ingredient we almost forgot, our mustard. We're gonna use 2 teaspoons of mustard. We have a Dijon here. Let's put that back on there. And honestly, all we're doing is heating this through. Now this 2 to 5 minutes, once it's all the way heated through and everything's mixed in, you could certainly serve it just this way. Or you could put it in the oven, uncovered, for about 15, 25 minutes at about 350 degrees. That's gonna allow it to, the flavors to concentrate a little bit, get a little bit of that sweetness in there. And you can quite literally top this with anything. If you want to add some fresh cilantro, some bacon bits, scallions, serve it over some rice, tortillas, cornbread. This, like I said, this can be a side dish or it can be the main star. As you can see right here, we're almost got them all the way heated through. Just give this about another 2 minutes or so. I personally prefer having my beans baked a little bit. And these happen to have pork in them, but you could certainly do them without the pork. Yep, and my tasting spoons. And looks like we are almost there. As we know, we wanna season at the end. Let's find one of our tasting spoons. You know what? We're gonna use this. Oh, that's really good. It's gonna give it a little bit of pepper. We're gonna actually cut the heat there. A little bit of salt. Stir this back up. You really get the smokiness from those chipotles. And chipotles are going to be dried, they're actually smoked, and the smoked jalapeno peppers, and then they put them in a tomato sauce with onions, so it just really, it gives you that smokiness without a lot of the heat, which I really like about that. So we're just gonna plate this up, bowl it up. And a few sprigs of cilantro. And there we go.